Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So if I go and click on this, you can choose an and or. Just like one of you were saying, right? An and or. Yes, we can use an and or. There is an option of using brackets to see the opening of the bracket. And at the end, there will be the closing of the bracket. And it says, source, external field or condition rule. You can select a condition rule in this field, or you can choose a field. Okay, a field and then a relational operator. So it can be equal to, not equal to, etc. And then the compare is untie and comparison. So it looks a bit overwhelming at first, but let's start creating our rules, and then it will be simpler. But remember that this rule conditions the way that we are writing rules. We will see this again, over and over again, in many places in Workday. Whenever we write conditional logic, we will see this kind of a page, this rule writer as I call it. Okay, this is not something that is unique to Workday compensation. Please make a note of this. This rule, the way we write the rules, is not unique to compensation only. We will see this in many, many different places. Whenever we write conditional logic, we will see this kind of a setup where we have to write the rule conditions. Alright, this is not unique to compensation. We will see this in other places as well. Okay, now let's try to write the rule about this. How do we identify if a worker is a manager? From the job profile, do you remember? What did we select to identify a worker as a manager? Yeah, but what was the manager? What kind of attribute was it? Let me show you. Let me go to another tab here, and let's create a job profile. This is reminder cells about creating a job profile. So let's cross it out. No, 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 no. So role, okay role, yeah, you're right. But when we created a job profile, when I create a job profile, okay, now look at this, and tell me which component. Let's say the 19th, 20th is fine. Now, based on these parameters, the one that we have here, which one do you think talks about the manager? Where do we define whether it's a manager or a supervisor or a CEO? You can have anything there. I can call myself a senior architect, right? But what is my level in the organization? Management, management, management. 11. You see, you have to see, you know not the job level. It is typically in the management level. So you see, here we have to see your manager, individual contributor, etc. This is where we have the management level. Okay, so now if I am saying that somebody is a manager, so what should I do? I would say that the management level should be something right. I'm looking up. I'm saying that, okay, the management level compensation is the field that I wouldn't look at. What does this field contain? In return, the applicable management level for all job profiles. How do I go here? I click on the related actions of the field. It says, this is a management level compensation field. It returns the applicable management level for all job profiles. So it looks into the job profile of a worker and picks up the management level from that job profile. Right. This is what this field does. Okay, did you notice one thing? This field is called management level, and within the brackets it is. It is the same compensation. Right. Because this field is designed to be used in compensation eligibility. You see, the authorized usage is compensation eligibility. Okay, whenever we write compensation eligibility rules, whenever we write these rules, always try to use the field which says compensation within brackets. Okay, let me show you what I mean. If I search for management level, there will be different management level fields. Let me show you this. Many different things people have created. Anyway, let me search by this. Okay. So anyway, if I look for management level, try to use the one which is compensation, because they perform better, and they also are focused towards compensation eligibility. So they will give you more accurate results. Okay, whenever you are writing rules, use the compensation field. Okay, management level compensation, job location, job profile compensation, etc. So try to use this kind of things. Now, what do we want? What is my objective? To write the rules. All managers write. So management level should be any in the selection list. So I will provide a list of values. Okay, the management level has to be in that list. So what will be the list of values? I will click on the drop-down and I will select from this list. So I will select Manager. If people have created this huge mess out of it, so I will select 6 Manager. Okay, this is the management level. Alright, so this means that all managers will be part. This is how we have written the rule. The management level is part of this list, and I have specified the values in this filter, and the filter in the filter. I am saying manager. What this translates to is management level equal to manager. Click on OK to save this. Okay, so this is my rule. And the rule condition says management level is equal to manager. This is the derived logic management level, any in the selection list 6 manager. Very simple, Straightforward rule. Now can we test this? The answer is yes. You have two kinds of text that you can perform here. One is, you can find out a list of all workers who are eligible as per this particular rule, which is WW all managers. You can find out OK. I have created the rule. Now, what is this rule returning? Is it returned in the right population? So I can do this.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.